Hello everyone, this is King Bethel once again on your screen. I welcome you to another session of graphic design. But in this video in particular, I'll be teaching you how you can install font. You heard me right, font from the site down to Archiver because you need Archiver to extract the zip format of the font. Then before it is finally installed on your Pixellab. Now, let's head straight to our Pixellab to give you an illustration of what I'm talking about. Now, when you go to your Pixellab, now this is always the interface you'd come across, the Pixellab size, the canvas space, and the Pixellab tools. Now, when you go to your font, AB, this is your font. Now you see font, my font, and recent. Now, this font simply means the default fonts that came with the app. When you go to Play Store, search for the app Pixellab, then you download and install it. So all these fonts are different fonts. They are defaults. They are the font that came along with your Pixellab. Now we have my font. Now if you look at this, my font here, if you look at all this list of fonts here, they are font I downloaded myself just to enhance and beautify my work. Because if you check the section of my font, the fonts here are limited. So they are limited as with such respect, it might not give you your desired result because as you're designing, you need what better font to make your work look attractive and look awesome. Yeah, it gives your work when you apply a good font to your design, it gives your work a nice projection. So now if you look at this, my font, so these are the fonts I have downloaded from their various site, extracted them on Archiver, then I install them on my Pixellab. Yes, so in this video now, if you look at this recent are the font you just made use of. So any font you pick from either my font, it appears under recent. That is, it tells you that these are the list of fonts you recently made use of. Are we together? So in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can actually what? Download, extract, and install fonts to your Pixellab. Now, let's head straight to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, please make sure that your data is activated. When you go to Play Store, then you search for Archiver. So it is an app we're making use of to extract font before it is installed finally on your Pixellab. Then go to Archiver, search for Archiver, Zarchiver. This is it. Archiver. Can you see this? Can you see installed? It's an app and it's already installed on my device. So if you don't have it, go to Pinterest and search. Go to Play Store rather, search for it and download it. Like I said, it's already downloaded and installed as an app on my phone. So there's no need re-downloading it the second time. Now, what you do is that you go to your Chrome. Are we together? Now let's go to, okay, this is the one I was working on. Let's go to, let's search for a font. The font, okay, defont.com. Can you see this? Defont.com. So it's one of the sites you can actually extract and download font from. Defont.com. Now it gives you what? A list of what? A list of font. Okay. Now let's zoom it. Let me zoom it. Can you see this? Now this is the site defont.com. Now you see a lot of font really from fancy, cartoon, comic, groovy, old school. You come your face, eyes, decorated typewriter. Can see all this one. They are what? They are font. They are classification of fonts. So each has its what? A list of font under it. Can you see this? Each has a list of font under it. Can you see this? When you pick one, you see what numerous fonts under it. So it depends on the one you want. Okay. Let me search for a font and download it. Let me zoom it. Okay, I think I'm looking for a particular font under basics. I'm looking for a particular font. I'm looking for a particular font under basics. Okay, here is it. We have sans serif. Let me pick sans serif. Yeah, it shows me a list of, you can see this is the list of fonts, or that was sans serif. You can get up to 1,000 fonts. Yes, 1,000 fonts from this site. Now, okay, I once downloaded Akira, Roboto, Nexa. Okay, let me download this Tropical Avenue, please. take note of the font you are downloading. Take note of the font you are downloading. That is the name of the font you are downloading. Now, Tropical What Avenue, you come here. Can you see this download? This download section. You tap it. It shows you an option. File downloaded. You can see so it downloaded. Then open. Please make sure that your data is activated. Now, open with Archiver. Can you see this just once? Can you see this? Tropical What Personal What Use. Then you come here. Okay. Scroll down. Come here. Can you see this? Now, let me show you something. On Archiver, there are some fonts. Now, if you look at Archiver, sometimes the apps make provision for fonts. Are we together? It means what? Provision for font. Now, once you open your Archiver, you see a feature like this font. So, if at all your own Archiver does not have a feature like font, so you can actually what create one. You can actually what create one because I actually created one. So in this video, I'll be showing how you can actually what create font in case your own downloaded Archiver does not what make provision for font, because you need to create a folder called font so that the font downloaded can be what extracted in that folder before it is finally installed on Pixellab as its final destination. Here's what you do. You come here. That is, if your own Archiver does not come with this feature called font, because mine came with font and actually what created and that separate font again. I created what a separate I created what a separate okay, I created a separate font for it. Now, like I say, assuming you open your Archiver and you cannot find this feature called font, so do not panic, do not get worried. There's a way you can actually create a folder or called font. This is how you do it. You come to this three dot on the right side of your phone, you tap it. Now you see create. Can you see this? Now, once you tap create, can you see this? It shows you a list of options like create, new folder, new archive, new file. Tap on new folder. Can you see this? You erase it. Can you see this? Then write font. Can you see this? Now after having written it down, after writing it, you tap what OK. Is that clear? Now immediately you tap OK, the folder called what font is created. Are we together? It's created. Then you tap it. It tells you what to do what to the inside of the font. Now before we proceed, now let's go straight to the font we downloaded. It's in our download, because once you up to Archiver, this is the interface you come across. So definitely you can try it out after watching this video. You'll find all this list, all these features, all this list in your Archiver. Then you move to download, because whatever you download is saved in the download section. You move to download and search for the name of that font you downloaded. What's the name of the font? Let's search for Tropical Avenue. Now this is the font. Now once you download the font, it comes in zip format like this way. If I thought the font you downloaded is not showing like this, so that means something's wrong with the font. Now once you download the font, it comes this way. Remember, we are in our download, so we actually was searching for the font we just downloaded from that site, thefont.com. So this is what Tropical What Avenue, because we are here to what copy what the zip format, then go to our font that was created. Are we together? So we can what extract it in that section. Now what you do is that you just what press hold it, press hold it. Then it shows you a list of options like compress, information, copy. Then you tap what copy. Are we together? Then what you scroll down. Can you see this? Then you scroll down, because you are leaving download. Then you tap here this icon pointing upward. You tap it. Then you move to what my font that you created. Then you tap it. Can you see this? Now you come here again. You come here, or if at all you don't want to come here, now listen attentively in your phone. Once it shows this plus sign and here, so it's an indication that what you can actually use this plus sign to create what and that folder, because we are going to what create what another folder still in font. So if at all your own phone, because it depends on the phone you're using, if at all it shows a plus sign in a circle, so you just tap it. Once you tap the folder font, now you tap it once, or you can what tap here. So it depends on the setting of your phone and the nature of phone you're using. Now if you look at this here that I tap, there's no what option like create here. So I can't create anything here. So what I'll do is I'll tap here and I'll see what new folder. Then I'll strike this one out and write what? My font. Can you see this? Tap OK. Can you see? You can see my font has been created in the folder font. So what I'll do is that I'll tap here because I need to what? Copy it in my font from the download section. You can see it appears here automatically. Tropical what Avenue has been copied. So I need to what? Unzip it. Now this is what I'll do. I'll just click this thing once, click it once. Then you see a list of options like view, extract it, then I'll tap extract it. You can see it's already what extracted. Tropical what Avenue personal use only extracted. Can you see this? So I need to what install it from here to my Pixellab. Now let's go to my Pixellab. Can you see this? Now let's go to font, AB font. Can you see this? You come here, then you tap this first one on your left, you tap it. Now you search for the name of your device. Remember the font we just extracted was what? Tropical what? Let's go back. Tropical what? Avenue Personal. Tropical Avenue Personal. Then you tap here. The name of your device, Redmi A5. Font, you search for your font, my font. Look at it. Tropical what? Avenue what? Personal. Then you tap it once. It appears. Let's search for it. Tropical what? Look at it. Tropical what? Avenue what? Personal. And the font has appeared. Can you see this? You can see it has been installed automatically. It has been what? Installed. It has been what? Installed. Let's search for it again. Tropical what? I see. Tropical what? Avenue what? Personal. It has been installed. Can you see this now? Let's try on that one. Let's try the second one. Let's try the second one. Remember, this is my font. Let's go back. Now, once you want to go back, you just tap on the arrow pointed upward. You just tap it. And see. Now, you can see, if you look at download here, anything you download gets stored or saved in the download section. Now, remember, this my font was created. And I said, if I told you Zai Archiver does not come with a particular font, it doesn't come with any feature as font, you can actually what? Create font on the app. Here, you can create font on the app by going through the process I showed you. Now, if you look at this font, it was created by us. Now, once you tap it, it takes to another section, my font. Yes, because my font is just like a second folder created in my font, because you need to what? Create what? My font, where you what? Extract what? The font. Are we together? Where you what? Extract what? The font. Now, let's download the second font also so we can extract it. Okay, let's go back. Go back. Okay. Now, let's download another font. Okay. Let's download another font. Tropical Avenue. Let's search for another font. Okay, let's search for Siri. You can just pick one. You see a list of fonts. You can download over 1,000 fonts here. Okay, let's download this one. Build Guy. Let's download it. Build Guy. Then you tap open. Can you see this? Just once. Can you see this? Then you tap here to go back. You tap here to go back. You downloaded Build Guy what? Personal. Build Guy Personal. Now let's go back again from scratch so you understand this. Can you see this? Now this is the interface of what? Remember, we downloaded what? Build Guy what? Personal. Build Guy what? Personal. That was the second one we downloaded. Build Guy Personal. You can write it down. Build Guy Personal. Now you go to what? Your download. Can you see this? You search for it. Build Guide what? Personal. It starts with B. Build Guide Personal. Build Guide Personal. Where is it? Build Guide is beautiful. Beautiful. Build Guide Personal. Where is it? Okay, now this is it. Build Guide. Build Guide is it. Build Guide is the format. Then press hold it. Can you see? Press that once. Press hold it. Press hold it. Hold it and press it. Then you see a list of options. Then you copy. Can you see this? Automatically, this side, this section changes because initially it was displaying plus. Now, when you copy it, it turns this way and scroll up. You are leaving download. You are going to the font folder that was created. You scroll up, you click here. Can you see this? Now you come to your font like this. You tap it. Now you tap my font. Now you click here to copy it. You can see build guide. It's already copied. Then you tap once. Can you see this? You see view, extract here, extract to. Please don't click extract to, click extract here, extract here. You can see build guide, build keyword password is already what extracted. Now let's go to our Pixellab and install it. Okay, this Pixellab. Now for confirmation's sake, remember they are installed under what my font, the font you downloaded. Now the name of the font you downloaded was for build guide. If you search for it here, you won't find it here because you have not installed it. This one is what? Build case demo, build case demo. Now the one we downloaded was build guide. This one is build case, build guide. You can see the build guide is not here. Now let's install it. Let's install it. Font, my font. Then you come here. Can you see this place? You come here, tap it once. Now let's go back. Now you come here. You tap this three line on your left side of your phone. You tap it. Then go to the name of your phone, Redmi A5. Then go to search for what font. The font you created, it will definitely display. So this is the font you created. You tap it once. Then my font. Can you see it? Build guide what personal. You tap it once. Let's search it. It appears. Build guide. You can see. Build guide what personal what use. Build guide what personal what use. It gets what installed to your phone. So this is the way you can actually what install font after downloading it from any site, then extracting it from Archiver, and then finally installing it on your Pixellab. Now, if you find this video helpful, interesting, and knowledgeable, do it to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as more quality content as they will be uploaded so that I can get notified instantly they are uploaded. As I will see you in my next video. I still remain King Bethel, the founder and owner of Bethel Graphic, and do have a productive day ahead. See you in my next video.